And staying with school-related matters, but to the north-central part of the country now, because the York Castle High School and the Brownstown High School are struggling without power. Now, to keep classes going, they rely on generators that are becoming too costly to operate. And with the ongoing power issues, some students preparing for major exams are now at serious disadvantage. Ramada Lyons explains.
Hurricane Melissa tested faith. And now, as many Jamaicans anticipate getting back to normal, there's a test of patience. For the school-aged population, more tests loom: CSEC and CAPE exams. That's why a priority group was selected to return to Brownstown High School in St. Anne, grades 10 and 11 and 6th form students. But even with the education lifeline extended, the school struggles. 2 generators to provide power comes with challenges.
It is pressure in our budget in having to purchase gasoline to fuel those generators daily. We have water, but we don't have water because we operate using 2 large tanks.
However, there's often relief where that's concerned.
Thankfully, whenever we make the call, the NWC would transport water to us. So, but because we do not have our regular supply of water, we have to monitor the usage of the water, which is why we only have the 3 cohorts coming in.
At York Castle High School, Principal Raymond Treasure says all 9 damaged classrooms were fixed, and so all 1,350 students have returned, even students from other schools.
We have about 45 students from other schools at this point, and the hope is that we'll be able to continue into December.
The willpower is there, but that's not enough.
We need power urgently. And with the situation with those poles at the entrance, it means that power will not be returned anytime this week.
Some subjects demand electricity.
We can't do TVJ-based subjects. The labs cannot be powered with 5,000 kilowatt generators. So at this point, the labs are suffering for building technology, mechanical engineering, computer sciences.
At Brownstown, agriculture is also in jeopardy.
A major damage is our school farm that is now flat. Our greenhouse is flat, and it's unfortunate because we were hoping to capitalize on the Christmas market. It was fully stocked with sweet pepper and tomato, and we lost everything in that greenhouse. We lost our poultry unit where we had 300 birds there. All of them died during the hurricanes.
All in all, there's so much schools can do and no more.
We're operating without power. So it means that we're using 2 generators. That's like $10,000 per day to operate these 2 generators. One of the generators we use at the cafeteria. We have an arrangement with the delivery companies. They deliver every day. We can't afford to store items in the refrigerator, so they deliver every day, and we prepare on a daily basis for the students. But we are coping there.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.